Right, use standard form and rounding to one significant figure to calculate an estimate for the square root of 4.8 times 10 to the 5. So writing down our sum, 4.8 times 10 to the 5. So the idea is to get an estimate of this before we actually do the calculation. So first thing to do is to change 4.8 to 48, and this now will become times 10 to the 4. Let's see why. 4.8 times 10 to the 5 is 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 8, and then 4 zeros on. And then if you want to put that to the power of 4, then you need to move 1, 2, 3, 4 that way. So that becomes 48 times 10 to the 4. Now the next thing you do is you change the 48, whatever number you get here, to the nearest square number. So the nearest square number to 48 is 49. So this becomes approximately equal to the square root of 49 times 10 to the 4. Now, with square roots, you can separate them up. If you're multiplying, you can separate them up. So it comes the square root of 49 times the square root of 10 to the 4. Now, the square root of 49 you know to be 7. And now, if you want to take the square root of anything to the power, all you need to do is take the power and divide by 2. So this becomes 10 squared. To take the square root of a power, just divide by 2. If you had to take the cube root, you'd have to divide by 3, etc. So this becomes 7 times 10 squared. That's 7 times 100, so the final answer is 700. What's the actual answer to this sum? 4.8 times 10 to the 5. So the actual answer is 692.820. So it's a fairly good approximation. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find approximation of a square root using standard form. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.